The 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display delivers stunning visuals with vivid FHD Plus resolution. It offers a smooth, adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring seamless transitions whether you're gaming, browsing, or watching videos. With a peak brightness of 2500 nits, the screen remains clear and vibrant even under bright sunlight. The advanced triple camera system is led by a 50-megapixel main sensor with a variable aperture, f1.4 f4.0, allowing it to adapt effortlessly to different lighting conditions. It captures sharp, detailed photos and videos, complemented by a 40-megapixel ultrawide lens and a 12-megapixel periscope camera with 5.5's optical zoom for versatile photography options. The intuitive side-mounted AI button integrates seamlessly into daily use. It enables quick access to essential features such as toggling the flash, activating the AI assistant, or muting the device. These customizable gestures simplify multitasking and add convenience to your interactions with the phone. OnePlus 13 runs on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with a 6.82-inch BOE-X2 OLED display. The LTPO panel supports 1440p resolution, ensuring excellent visibility. This model offers a 50-megapixel Hasselblad camera trio with OIS, a 3x periscope lens for zoom, and a 15mm ultrawide with macro capabilities. Featuring IP69 protection against high-pressure liquids and steam, silicon-carbon battery with 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging for fast, lasting power. When it comes to size, the Huawei Mate 70 measures 160.9 millimeters in length, making it slightly shorter than the OnePlus 13, which stretches to 162.9 millimeters. This difference might seem minor, but it could affect how the devices feel in your hand during daily use. In terms of weight, the Huawei Mate 70 is a tad lighter at 203 grams compared to the OnePlus 13, which weighs 210 grams. This slight difference can make the Mate 70 feel more comfortable for prolonged usage. The OnePlus 13 boasts a larger display at 6.82 inches, while the Huawei Mate 70 has a 6.7-inch screen. This could mean a more immersive experience for media consumption on the OnePlus 13, giving it the edge in visual real estate. Dive into the details, and the OnePlus 13 shines again with a resolution of 440 by 3168 pixels, compared to the Mate 70's 1216, 26 and 88 pixels. This higher resolution on the OnePlus 13 ensures crisper images and videos, elevating your viewing experience to new heights. The Huawei Mate 70 features a versatile camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 40-megapixel ultrawide lens. In contrast, the OnePlus 13 also sports a 50-megapixel wide lens, along with a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel ultrawide lens. Both devices promise stunning photography, but the Mate 70's optical zoom capabilities give it a unique advantage for distant shots. The Mate 70's camera is packed with features like AI dynamic photo and intelligent variable aperture, allowing for stunning shots in various conditions. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 13 leverages Hasselblad color calibration, enhancing color accuracy and detail in your images. If you're a photography enthusiast, both devices offer unique strengths that cater to different styles. For videography, the OnePlus 13 takes the lead with the ability to shoot in 8K at 30 FPS, while the Huawei Mate 70 maxes out at 4K. This capability on the OnePlus 13 allows for incredibly detailed video footage, perfect for creators looking to capture every nuance. When it comes to selfies, the OnePlus 13 has a 32-megapixel wide lens, significantly outperforming the Huawei Mate 70's 13-megapixel ultrawide lens. This means sharper, more detailed selfies with the OnePlus 13, making it a better choice for social media enthusiasts. The Mate 70 offers a range of features for selfies, including AI dynamic photo and slow motion, while the OnePlus 13 includes night mode and cute shot. The OnePlus 13's night mode allows for better low-light selfies, giving it an edge for those late-night outings. The Huawei Mate 70 packs a robust 5300 mAh battery, while the OnePlus 13 goes even further with a massive 6000 mAh. This larger battery means the OnePlus 13 can keep you powered longer, perfect for heavy users. Under the hood, the Huawei Mate 70 runs on a Deca-core Kirin 910, while the OnePlus 13 is powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. The Snapdragon's architecture promises faster performance and efficiency, making the OnePlus 13 a powerhouse for multitasking. The Mate 70 operates on Harmony OS 4.3, a unique experience for users, while the OnePlus 13 runs on Android 15 with Oxygen OS. If you prefer a more traditional Android experience with extensive app support, the OnePlus 13 is the clear choice. Both devices offer impressive internal storage options, with the Mate 70 providing up to 1 terabytes and the OnePlus 13 matching that, while also offering a variant with 24 gigabytes of RAM. This means the OnePlus 13 can handle more intensive tasks without breaking a sweat. Both smartphones come with stunning LTPO displays, but the OnePlus 13's AMOLED technology supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, enhancing your viewing experience with richer colors and deeper contrasts. The Huawei Mate 70 features second-generation Kunlun glass for durability, while the OnePlus 13 offers eye protection modes and sun display technology, making both devices suitable for all-day use. In the graphics department, the Huawei Mate 70 uses the Maliun 920 GPU, while the OnePlus 13 is equipped with the Adreno 830. The Adreno GPU is known for its superior gaming performance, making the OnePlus 13 a better option for gamers. The Mate 70 includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, while the OnePlus 13 boasts an under-display ultrasonic sensor for faster and more secure unlocking. This modern touch adds to the OnePlus 13's appeal. Huawei's Mate 70 includes unique AI features like AI gestures and Beidou satellite support, while the OnePlus 13 offers advanced AI functionalities like Super Xiaobu AI Assistant and gaming vibration motors. Both devices cater to tech enthusiasts, but the OnePlus 13's gaming features stand out. Both devices feature premium materials, with the Mate 70 using an aluminum alloy frame and the OnePlus 13 utilizing crystal shield glass for added durability. This ensures both devices feel premium in hand, but the OnePlus 13 has an edge in resilience. In terms of water and dust resistance, both devices are rated IP68, IP69, but the Mate 70 can withstand depths of up to 4 meters for 30 minutes, compared to the OnePlus 13's 1.5 meters. This makes the Mate 70 a better choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Pricing varies, with the Huawei Mate 70 ranging from $760 to $960, while the OnePlus 13 is slightly more affordable, sitting between $600 and $900. This price difference can be a deciding factor for budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, both the Huawei Mate 70 and the OnePlus 13 offer compelling features that cater to different user needs. Whether you prioritize camera capabilities, battery life, or overall performance, each device has its unique strengths that make them worthy contenders in the flagship market. Ultimately, the choice between the Huawei Mate 70 and the OnePlus 13 will depend on your personal preferences and how you plan to use your smartphone. Both are excellent devices, but which one will you choose?